Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox this very old TP-Link Omada system. I believe it is Wi-Fi 5, I believe. And it supports AC 1200. It's a EAP225-Outdoor. I bought it just because it has external antennas, so I can connect my own antennas onto it. That's the only reason why I bought it. It's not the most stable system. Yeah, it only works via one frequency or something, and if that frequency is scrambled, yeah, then you have a situation. So it's not the most stable system, but it's usable. If you have no interference, you can use it. You can do a lot of things with it. It's a good price. You get value for your money. So we go to unbox it now. It has a gigabit uplink here with power over Ethernet. And yeah. Okay. So this is the box. There is some plastic wrapping over it. This is the plastic wrapping. Voila, that's already that. Then you can open the box here. You open the box here, and what's inside of it? Some papers I see, quick installation guides, the power over Ethernet adapter you see here with the mount plate for the wall, a wall mounting plate. And then you have a wall mounting plate, I believe, for the EAP, for the router or how do you call it. So I think you can slide it just like that, voila, and you can mount it on the wall. The power cable you have here, and then you also have some antennas and some straps to pole mounting it, and some plugs and screws and things like that. Voila, that's it. So you see it here. This is the EAP. It has a power over Ethernet here and a reset button. The antennas are into it, so yeah, everything is in it. It's a complete package. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, please subscribe, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. So if you subscribe, you can win something. It is completely free. You only have to subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe, and also please like our video if you like it. So it helps the channel a lot. Thank you and bye bye.